Welcome back to Tech Monetize Official. If you're looking to turn your passion for tech into real profits, you're in the right place. We break down the latest trends, uncover hidden gems, and help you make smarter moves in the market, no matter your experience level. It's Cramer here, ready to talk about making money. I'm fired up, and you should be too, because today we're not just talking theory, we're talking actionable steps to grow your wealth. We don't hide when the market shakes. We find opportunities and pounce. Volatility isn't something to fear. It's a chance to get in at the right price, to spot value where others see chaos. That's how real investors win. Are you subscribed? Hit that button now. You don't want to miss out on our latest picks, strategies, and deep dives into the companies that could change your financial future. Missing out is leaving money on the table. Every day, opportunities pass by. Don't let this be one of them. Stay informed, stay ahead, and make sure you're not the one regretting a missed chance. Today, we're hunting for a solid company, a leader in its industry, paying you to own it. That's right, a business that not only grows, but also rewards shareholders with steady dividends year after year. This stock is a foundational piece for any serious portfolio. It's the kind of investment you can build around, providing stability and long-term growth, no matter what the market throws your way. It's been beaten down, misunderstood, but we see the value and potential. Sometimes, the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight, just waiting for smart investors to recognize them. The ticker symbol is AMCR. Amcor. Remember that name. This is a company with global reach, innovative products, and a track record of delivering for its shareholders. Get ready to discover a classic Cramer gem. I've done the homework, and I'm excited to show you why this stock stands out from the crowd. Let's dive into why this stock is a hidden treasure. We'll break down the numbers, the strategy, and what makes Amcor a must-watch for any investor looking for both growth and income. Amcor is the opportunity we've been waiting for. Stick around because you're about to see how this company could play a key role in your financial journey. Amcor, ticker symbol AMCR. You might not recognize the name, but chances are you've interacted with their products countless times this week alone. Amcor is the silent force behind the packaging that keeps our food fresh, our medicine safe, and our favorite products protected as they travel the globe. They make the packaging the world runs on. Every day, millions of products pass through Amcor's hands, from the moment they leave the factory to the shelves of your local store. Their reach is truly staggering, touching nearly every industry you can imagine. From coffee bags to medical supplies, snack wrappers to personal care items, Amcor is everywhere. Their innovative packaging solutions help preserve freshness, ensure safety, and make products more convenient for consumers around the world. They are a global giant in the packaging industry, indispensable to major brands like Nestlé, Procter & Gamble, and Pfizer. If you've ever bought a household name product, there's a good chance Amcor played a part in getting it to you. With operations in over 40 countries and a workforce as diverse as their product range, Amcor is a true leader. Their global footprint means they can serve customers anywhere, anytime, adapting to local needs and regulations. Amcor's business is incredibly resilient, providing a steady revenue stream even in uncertain times. Packaging is essential. No matter what's happening in the world, people still need food, medicine, and everyday goods. Yet, despite this strength, the market has punished the stock for short-term issues, focusing on temporary headwinds and ignoring the company's long-term potential and stability. This is where savvy investors see opportunity. When others are distracted by short-term noise, those who look deeper can spot the real value hiding in plain sight. The disconnect between Amcor's current stock price and its underlying business strength is our chance to get in before the rest of the market catches on. Amcor is a fortress of a business model, built to withstand economic storms, with deep relationships and contracts that keep revenue flowing year after year. The market got this one wrong, and we're here to capitalize. Sometimes the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight, waiting for those willing to look beyond the headlines. Let's explore why Amcor is a buy and why this packaging powerhouse deserves a spot in your portfolio. Let's examine the numbers. When we dive into the financials, we see a compelling story unfolding. Amcor's PE ratio is lower than its historical average. This indicates that the stock is undervalued compared to its past performance. It's trading at a discount to the market and its competitors. This means that investors are currently paying less for each dollar of earnings compared to other companies in the same industry. The price-to-sales ratio is near multi-year lows, signaling a sale. This ratio helps us understand how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of sales. The market has sold off the sector, dragging Amcor down, creating a buy opportunity. This broad sell-off has made Amcor's stock more attractive for value investors. On an EV/EBITDA basis, Amcor looks cheap. This metric is crucial as it considers the company's debt and provides a clearer picture of its valuation. Rising raw material costs spooked the market, but Amcor has pricing power. This means they can pass on these costs to customers without significantly affecting demand. The market is short-sighted, focusing on the last quarter instead of the next 5 years. This short-term focus often leads to mispricing of stocks. We're investors, not day traders, and we see the long-term value. Our strategy is to look beyond the immediate noise and focus on the bigger picture. The numbers scream that this value is available at a deep discount. This is a rare opportunity to buy a quality company at a bargain price. This is the time to be bold and seize the opportunity. Taking action now could lead to significant gains in the future. Amcor is a world-class company at a bargain price. Investing in such a company now could be a game changer for your portfolio. Let's talk dividends. Amcor's yield is sky-high due to the stock price drop. It's more than double an S&P 500 index fund yield. Amcor pays you cash, quarter after quarter, just for being a shareholder. This dividend provides a cushion, offering a fantastic return even if the stock price stagnates. Amcor's payout ratio is sustainable, covered by earnings and free cash flow. They have a history of paying and growing dividends. Management knows the dividend is key for shareholders. You're buying into a culture that rewards its owners. You get potential stock price appreciation and a handsome dividend. It's the best of both worlds. Amcor is an income-generating machine. Let's look at future trends favoring Amcor. The rise of the global middle class boosts demand for packaged goods. Sustainability is a massive opportunity, not a threat, for Amcor. They lead in developing recyclable and sustainable packaging. The healthcare sector is a high-growth area for Amcor. E-commerce demands stronger, smarter packaging, and Amcor is at the forefront. Amcor is a dynamic leader, profiting from durable global trends. This isn't an old industrial company. It's innovative and essential. Amcor is perfectly positioned for long-term growth. Don't forget to subscribe to Monetize Official. Let's continue exploring Amcor's strengths. What makes Amcor special? Scale, relationships, and innovation. Amcor's global footprint gives them purchasing power, maintaining healthy margins. Their deep, sticky relationships with major brands are built on trust. Amcor's innovation centers design lighter, stronger, sustainable packaging. They hold thousands of patents, keeping them ahead of the competition. Amcor's competitive moat is wide and deep. This is what Warren Buffett looks for in a business. The market is missing Amcor's long-term advantages. We see the durable competitive edge. Amcor is a business protected from competition. Let's capitalize on this overlooked opportunity. Let's consider the risks. Raw material costs could squeeze margins. Amcor has pricing power, but there can be a lag. A major economic downturn could soften volumes. Amcor is resilient, but not immune to a severe recession. Regulatory changes on plastics could pose challenges. Amcor leads in sustainable packaging, potentially consolidating its position. Currency risk could affect earnings, but it's an accounting issue. We know the risks and have done our homework. The potential reward outweighs these risks. Amcor's strengths make it a compelling investment. Let's move forward with confidence. Amcor is a calculated risk worth taking. What's the game plan? This is an investment, not a trade. Own Amcor for the next 3 to 5 years. Buy a great company at a cheap price and get paid a fat dividend. Start a position now, but don't go all in at once. Buy more if the stock dips on short-term news. Look for catalysts like stabilizing raw material costs and new contracts. Subscribe to Tech Monetize Official for updates. Amcor is a leader in a defensive industry with a wide moat. It's trading at a cheap valuation and pays a huge dividend. This stock helps build generational wealth. Let's make money with Amcor. The bottom line, Amcor is a buy. B-U-Y. Buy, buy, buy. The market offers a golden opportunity at a fire sale price. Amcor is a foundational stock for any serious portfolio. Packaging is the circulatory system of global commerce. Amcor profits from the rise of the middle class and sustainability. Buying Amcor today is like planting a tree for future shade. Do your homework and see the value. The market won't keep this stock on the discount rack forever. The time to act is now. Amcor, ticker AMCR, is a winner. Let's make some money with Amcor. Booyah!